Welcome to Hidden Gems of Nature. Just wanted to take a minute today and share a few backpacking lunch ideas. You know, sometimes we get caught up in the trail mix and the protein bars and the jerky, and we never take a look at some of the other options that might exist out there. So I just wanted to take a second, share a few of those ideas with you, and hopefully they'll help you out as we explore and discover some of these backpacking lunches today. This is a list of some of those lunches that I've always enjoyed and continue to use on my backpacking trips, as well as some of the traditional backpacking trail lunches. This is one of my favorites because sometimes I get tired of eating the traditional trail foods and I like to change it up a little bit. So one of the things I use for a sandwich is tortillas because they don't fall apart like bread and they stay fresher. I just carry them with a set of paper plates so they don't fall apart. So one of the toppings I use is Laughing Cow cheese mixed in with tuna fish or salmon. And that gives me a high protein lunch and some carbs to go with it, fills me up. I like eating a couple of these wrapped up for lunch. You know, there's so much to choose from at the grocery store. They've got chicken, they've got salmon, they've got tuna, and all of them come in multiple flavors and multiple spices. It's really kind of nice. You got all kinds of things you can eat on these backpacking trips. And then I like your traditional peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And again, I use the tortillas. I just take peanut butter and put it in this little plastic container. And then I bring a couple of the restaurant jellies. You know, here's a couple of jellies that I have. And that makes a nice peanut butter and jelly roll-up. Some other things that I take to supplement the tortilla sandwiches is fresh fruit. A good orange or apple always tastes great. The downside to oranges and apples are they're heavy. So I usually eat them on the first day. It's usually part of a brown bag lunch that I take on the first day of a backpacking trip. The other thing I take is homemade cookies. I'm spoiled. I love homemade cookies. I'll take some of those for my brown bag lunch on the first day of a backpacking trip. Although sometimes I take even more because those aren't quite as heavy and they taste awfully good. I also take things that I personally like that aren't heavy, like I love chips. Most people probably don't, but I love chips, so I always take some chips with me. I love that added salt with a little bit of sweet. When I was a kid, we took Ritz crackers, and they had the old squeeze cheeses that we used to take with us, and we put Ritz crackers with squeeze cheese. I don't even think that's a food product, but we ate it, and I don't think you can buy it anymore. The other thing I used to love to take was those canned oysters. So we'd take smoked oysters or Vienna sausage and eat those with cheese and crackers, or even take a small summer sausage. I love a small summer sausage with cheese and crackers for a quick snack lunch as well. I also like mixing nuts with dried fruit. One of my favorites is cashews with dried cherries. I just like the combination. There's so many combinations you can do out there with dried fruit and nuts. And then, of course, you got your traditional trail foods. I love these fruit sticks, high energy, quick eating. You've got your jerkies and your sausages. You've got all kinds of trail mixes out there nowadays that you can get at just about any store. All kinds of granolas and granola bars and breakfast pastries and protein bars. I mean, there's entire aisles of that stuff in grocery stores, so you can take your pick of just about anything for those kind of lunches. I hope this helped you, maybe gave you a few additional ideas. In fact, if you have additional ideas that you want to make comments on underneath this video, I'd love to hear your ideas. I'm always open to new lunches and new things to try on backpacking trips.